Attention, savvy shoppers, welcome to our Christmas special, once in a lifetime deals at your favorite store. Happy to share with you, we got not one, but two delicious Shoprite for the unbelievable price for just 14.99. That's right, too low for less than you'll spend on your morning coffee. Keep those sparkling white shining bright with Colgate toothpaste just for 4.99. Say cheese to saving. Feeling a bit ricey? We got you covered with a spag of rice 2 kg for unbeatable price of 7.99. It's not just a rice, it's a feast for your wallet. And for a taste for a pure bliss, grab a whooping 1 liter of a bliss clover yogurt for an incredible 5.99. Your taste buds will be doing a Christmas dance. But wait, there's more. Shop now and get those fantastic deals for less, because it isn't just for any shopping spare. It is a saving celebration. Have the merriest Christmas ever.